And good morning po sa inyo lahat. It's October 29, 6:06 in the morning. So, tataka kayo kung bakit ganitong oras na akong gumising, no? So, yun naman talaga yung plano. 6 o'clock ako gigising. Ayun, pero 6:07 ako nakababa. Ayun nga, dahil nga meron kaming tour ngayon, yung anak ko, si Irie. Kaya, siguro saglit lang kami maggaganito, then, jumbi-jumbi na. Or mag-ready-ready na. Susundot lang ako ng treadmill. So, ayun lang. Pinintay natin. Tara magpapahayat. Let's go. Ay, limit eh. Ito eh. Ito eh. Peace. Dahil dito yun. Dahil dito yun. Peace. Dory. And friends.
お目目くるくる飛んだ。お目目どこ？
食べる食べる怖いわよりで、いいよいいよ見て食べる
Yes.
何たこ焼き
It's your purpose.
Dami
Okay.
Ganun ka na talaga
大丈夫です。大丈夫です。
おお見てOh no! Eddie, oh no! Ooh! Yaba, yaba. 当たった。
じゃあ三人こっち見て、三人で。
アイリン見て。
はーい。愛梨ちゃん、見て。それカイト。
Ako lang natin from sa tour ni ID. Napagod tayo, grabe. Sinipon, nilamig. Pero okay lang kasi magkano tayo, mag-gym pa rin tayo pero saglit lang naman. So, ayun. Grabe. So, ngayon, tricep and shoulder tayo. So, pinintay natin. Tara, let's go. So, first exercise, time lapse. Let's go.
To always keep going. Always. And I've come to find out is that, no matter what happens, the storm eventually ends. And when the storm does end, you want to make sure that you're ready.
Confidence, at the heart of confidence, is action. It's the willingness to try. And all you need is to know that if you try, you're not going to die. You're just going to learn something. And when you learn something, it removes a little bit of the insecurity so that it makes it slightly easier to try again.
When you feel the highest pressure, the highest stress, and the highest anxiety, when you're in the pursuit of something greater, it's a good indication that you're actually on the right path. It's a position
Grabe, ang sarap.
that's going to start you.
Tapos na yung exercise ng shoulder natin.
You don't have any purpose, right?
And tignan natin yung second. Pero pahinga muna tayo.
Waking up for nobody.
Second exercise, time lapse. Let's go.
These and it always will be hard. Everything will feel like I can't anymore. In that moment, go for it. Be brave. Don't give up. Keep going.
Don't really let anybody take away that dream from you.
nurture it, water it like you water the flowers. Even if you find only one person in this world that will accept, embrace, and support your dreams, find that person and dream big because you can make it.
You will at some point fall. And when you do, I want you to know this. Remember this. There is no such thing as failure. Failure is just life trying to move us in another direction. Now, when you're down there in the hole, it looks like failure. And when you're down in the hole, when that moment comes, it's really okay to feel bad for a little while. Give yourself time to mourn what you think you may have lost. But then, here's the key. Learn from every mistake.
Go on the journey by yourself. It is the best journey, man. Leveling up, becoming the best version of yourself is the most awesomest journey you will ever go on. It is a journey that you will probably go on by yourself. Most people will not understand the level of obsession required. They will not understand the level of drive and determination that it takes for you to become that person.
Second exercise tapos na. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng combo na yun. So, may isa pa tayo, tas tricep na. Let's go. So, ayun. Superset tayo ng pang third exercise. Superset ng bicep to shoulder. So, para bukas is back tayo saka traps. No? Basta sa likod tayo bukas. And abs na rin siguro. Try natin bukas. So, yun lang. Let's go.
Has internalized your experience, and that song in your heart belongs to you.
Sabi, magnet lang di ko makuha. Nangihina na ako. Grabe. So yun, tapos na tayo sa shoulder. Tricep na tayo. Time lapse. Mabilis na lang natin dahil so yung oras kasi no. Ayan. Marami pa i-delete, marami pa akong i-adjust, di-delete. Ayan, syempre, bonding sa bahay. Ayan, so, yun, bilisan natin. Let's go. Tara, tricep time lapse.
I need to create more. So I'm crazy. I'm getting up a half hour earlier than I normally do. Why? Because I know everybody else is getting up an hour or two later. And it's just another thing. I wake up, I go, I'm doing things not everybody's willing to do. And your greatest enemy is your enemy. It's the conversation you have in your mind. So the battle that's within is greater than the battle that's in the world. So once you're able to fight that consistently and calm yourself and control yourself and be methodical and specific about how you respond, nothing will surprise you. You're immovable at that point. You won't waver. You won't break.
Take a journal, do it in your phone in the notes, or do it in your journal or on a pad, and write down the stuff you do on a daily basis.
Ayan. Hindi na natin ano yung second, third. So, yun. Let's go. Isa tayo doon. Last exercise na tricep tapos treadmill na tayo. Ayan. So, ayan. Para mapump kagad, tara. Let's go. Time lapse.
You shouldn't be afraid of taking risks and pursuing something meaningful. But you should be more afraid of staying where you are if it's making you miserable.
All of us are born with nothing, no skills, no knowledge, nothing. We're a lump of flesh that can hardly hold our own head up. We can't take care of ourselves. And our job isn't to be great today. Our job is to build ourselves brick by brick.
Always having the end of the movie in my head, and then filling in the script. I just had to write the script, and I changed. There might be
Sarap.
inaudible and
So yun, tapos na tayo. Dun sa sa tricep and shoulder. So, treadmill naman tayo diretso para yung pawis natin. Let's go. Kaya nag-start tayo ng 6:37. So, 7 o'clock tapos na tayo. Ayan, bilisan natin para at least basta yung pawis natin. Let's go. Time lapse na rin to or hindi na natin ano para ayun. Tapos na tayo. 32 minutes. Ayan, grabe. Pagod. Ramdam ko yung ano, sakit ng muscles ko. So, dapat maano ko na to. Pagpahinga na. Kumain at syempre yung supplement natin. So, ayun. Grabe ang sarap. So, see you tomorrow. Maraming salamat. Papahinga na ako. And, ayan, ang sarap, ang sarap. Nakakatuwa. Sana kayo din, huwag kayong naubusan ng oras o ganyan. Pag-aralan nyo yung time management, pag-aralan nyo yung ganyan. Alam ko, isa ako sa inyo sa mga minsan tinatamhan, biglang ganyan na lang. Isang beses magdadaya, dalawa, ayan. Pero, ang pinamalaga dyan is pag-aralan nyo yung consistency. Siyempre kung pag-ipunan nyo kahit malaking salamin para makita nyo yung sarili nyo. Ako kasi lagi kong tinitingnan yung sarili ko. So, ayoko maging mataba, ayoko na maging ganyan. Gusto ko nang ilabas yung mas better na ako. So, ayun. So, kaya ako ito ginagawa. So, yun lang. Good vibes and one love and peace. See you next time. Tomorrow pa.